Welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to crochet this beautiful strawberry coaster. And I highly recommend 100% cotton yarn for crochet coasters. But in this tutorial, I'm going to crochet with acrylic yarn. So before jumping into the tutorial, subscribe me and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Okay, so to crochet this coaster, you will need yarn, 3 different colors, white, green and red. Also, I'm using 3mm crochet hook. So let's begin with white color. Make a magic ring. Then chain 2. So this chain 2 does not count as any stitch. And now I'm going to work 10 half double crochets into the magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then close the magic ring. And slip stitch into the first half double crochet. So insert the hook into the first half double crochet stitch and slip stitch. Begin the next round, chain 2, does not count as a stitch, and work 2 half doubles into the same stitch. 1, 2. 2 half doubles into the next stitch and work 2 half doubles into each stitch around. So end of this round you will have total of 20 half doubles. So end of round 2, slip stitch into the first half double crochet stitch. Then begin with row 3, chain 2 and work 1 half double into the same stitch. So the first chain 2 that we did here, we does not count as a stitch. So in this stitch I did 1 half double, and into the next stitch I'm going to do 2 half doubles. Into the next stitch work 1 half double. Into the next stitch 2 half doubles. So we are going to repeat this around. End of this round you will have 30 half doubles. End of the row 3, slip stitch into the first stitch. Then begin with row 4, chain 2 and work 1 half double into the same stitch. And work 1 half double into the next stitch. Then work 2 half doubles into the next stitch. 1, 2. Work 1 half double into the next stitch, 1 half double into the next stitch and 2 half doubles into the next stitch. So we are going to repeat this around, and end of this row we will have total of 40 half doubles. So here I did 1 half double, 1 half double and 2 half double. 1 half double, 1 half double and 2 half double. Repeat this around. So finish row 4 and slip stitch into the first stitch. Begin with the row 5, chain 2 and work 1 half double into the same stitch, and we are going to work 1 half double into each stitch around. So end of this round you will have total of 40 stitches. So finish row 5, slip stitch into the first stitch, and now begin row 6, chain 2 and work 1 half double into the same stitch, and we are going to work 1 half double into the next stitch. At the same time I'm going to bring the red color yarn into my work. So yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through and grab the red color yarn and grab it with your hook, pull through these 3 loops. So now I'm going to work with color red, yarn over and work 5 half doubles into the next stitch with red yarn. So we are going to work 5 half doubles into the same stitch, 2, 3, 4, and this is the 5th one. So when I doing the 5th stitch, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through. I have 3 loops on my hook, and now I'm going to bring back the white yarn into my work. So grab the white yarn and yarn over, pull through these 3 loops. Then work 1 half double into the next stitch with white yarn, and into the next stitch work 1 half double with white. At the same time bring back the red color yarn again. So when you have 3 loops on the hook, grab the red and pull through these 3 loops. Then again we are going to work 5 half doubles into the next stitch with red. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Bring back the white yarn and work 2 half doubles with white into the next 2 stitches, 1 into each, 1 and 1 into the next. Then again into the next stitch work 5 half doubles with red, and we are going to repeat this around. So at the end I'm going to slip stitch into the first stitch here with the white color yarn, then chain 1, begin the next round, work 1 single crochet into the same stitch, and I'm going to work 1 single crochet into the next stitch. At the same time I'm going to bring the green color yarn into my work. So from here I can trim off the red color yarn, and insert the hook into the next stitch and grab the green yarn, yarn over, pull through both loops. So now I'm going to work with green. So I'm going to insert the hook into the next stitch here, which is red stitch, and yarn over and pull through. Into the next stitch, yarn over, 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 pull through. And into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. So now I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 loops on my hook with green color. Then yarn over and pull through all the loops. Then I will grab the white yarn over and pull through. Then pull the green yarn to make it tight, just like this. And in here we have 2 white stitches, and now I'm going to work 2 single crochet into that 2 white stitches here. So our last green stitch we did into the white stitch here, but it doesn't matter. Into the same stitch we will work 1 single crochet with white. So insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. Into the next stitch we will do 1 single crochet, but at the same time change the yarn color into green. Then we are going to repeat this again. So insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. Insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. So we will do it until we get 7 loops on our hook. 4 5 6 and this is 7. Now yarn over and pull through all the 7 loops. Then just grab the white yarn over, pull through and pull this green yarn to make it tight. Then work the 2 single crochets here, 1 and 1 into the next. At the same time change the yarn color and repeat the same thing all around. So here I'm done working around, and now I'm going to slip stitch into the first single crochet with white yarn, and from here we can trim off the green yarn. So leave some long tail and trim the yarn. Now we are going to working with just white color yarn. So begin the next round. I'm going to chain 3. So this chain 3 count as my first double crochet, and I'm going to work 5 more double crochet into the same space. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Then into the next single crochet here, which is white color, the first single crochet stitch, I'm going to work 6 double crochet into that stitch. So insert the hook into that stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Work 5 more. and into the next white stitch here, the first single crochet stitch, I'm going to work 6 doubles and repeat this all around. So I'm done working around, and now I'm going to slip stitch into the third chain and just slip stitch into the next stitch, and you can finish your work. So this is the end of this tutorial, and I hope you like this tutorial, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications for my upcoming videos. Follow me on Facebook, and I will be back with new tutorial.